Order submitted.
Good morning. All right, let's share this. All right. Perfect. Good morning, good morning. I need to see this short. That, oh, you know why, because all right, it's 9:24. We have 6 minutes till the market opens. Great morning call with my students. Oil overnight made $1,800. That's crazy. Perfect. All right. I still haven't done this. All right, I have everything set up, and the Q is in this short. Let's see if I hit a target here. I have a level at 73. I have my stock stuff set up for today because I forgot like the last 2 weeks. But I was good with it yesterday, and Etsy hit target for 2,000. So, oh shit. What? Oil's in a $1,200 trade? What? Oh, it hit target. All right, cool. I need to turn this up a little bit. Hi. Not yet. I don't go live on TikTok till after 9:30 because they have like a patience of a 2-year-old. What the? It doesn't even show them. Where's the up? Here? All right, so this is green 7:30 overnight. I'm going to have to reset that oil because that oil is Hi, Carter. Where's Jen? Because I still want to give her that moderator thing in here. I wonder if this is gonna mess up. I guess not. Like 325. Maybe, sorry, I'm trying to figure something out. So maybe like 25. My oil definitely had an issue. Alright, that's fine. Alright, it's 9:29. I'm going to get on TikTok. And Q's in this short green. $35. This setup was green 8 for 9 last night. For like $900. Oh, the market's open. Clearly. Alright, let me go live. Let me shut this door so I don't have a glare. Alright, that one got sold. It's fine. I just want to see, as long as there's no issues here. Alright, it hit target already, so. Cool, cool. Good morning, good morning. Ooh, look where we're going. The student session this morning was really good. We played out a lot of different options, and we kind of clarified why one might work over the other and what that looks like. MMM. I don't know why sometimes Etsy gave me an error. Etsy's in a long, MMM's in a long. I'm going to put this in front. This is MMM. Etsy gave me an error. Etsy gave me an error on the first trade yesterday too, so I got to figure that out. I have Santa to the right. I have YM Santa to the right. If they get in trades, I will put them in the front. I don't have a slow or fast on today. NQ Zones is green $800 since last night. Good morning, good morning. If you're new here, I'm Lauren. I go live every day, breaking down the futures market, specifically the NASDAQ. It's always going to be the NASDAQ unless I say otherwise. Thanks, Jen. MMM's in a long, and so is Etsy, just because I want to show you guys a few of those and how they work on the Algo. We talked about this move in the student call this morning. Obviously, I'm not going to give specifics because my students get all of the glory first, not random people. I'm assuming the range algo would be best for a conservative trader. Can you tell me the stats for the range since January? Yeah, the stats since January of 2022, NQ is 95.5% profitable. And ES is 84% since January of 2022. So that's 15 months. Also, if you email me, my admin can send you those stats in a picture form. All right, so MMM and Etsy took the loss. MMM was only a $200 loss, so not bad on the long. NQ was 2 of 2 yesterday. Since the last loss, NQ has been 7 of 7. We were on a stretch of 29 trades in a row from the middle of January. Like the last time it had a loss was the middle of January, and it went 29 for 29 until it had a loss last week, which was like the second week of March, third week of March, whatever. $900 on my NQ zones. Thank you. Where are we at? So nothing else going on here. We're not in anything for Santa. We are in this long. This is on zones. It's almost at target. It's already 900 on the day. All right, now it's 1,000 on the day. Again, this is also pretty conservative, but it takes a lot of trades. So it's conservative in the way of the risk to reward. Like, they're low on both ends. But yeah, if you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen or give a thumbs up. Again, I go live every day so you guys can see the product, how it works. If I know my stuff, which I'm pretty sure I do. But yeah, I see all this stuff every day anyway. My broken ankle is still recovering. I have to wear a boot. I feel like I walk so slow. I'm such like a fast person, like a fast moving person, or I just like to like get things done quickly. So something like this always is going to slow me down for sure. Thanks. So I'm risking $100 for the 1,000, which is what I'm saying, which is why it's such a great risk to reward. Thank you, Kyle. That's super helpful. Hi, Carlos. Good morning. This is the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ 100. I do have the S&P 500 over here. ES was 2 of 2 yesterday. This was yesterday. You guys can see the blue box. This is range 1, 2, 2 of 2 yesterday. And Q was 2 of 2 yesterday. Right here. Again, the blue box is range 2 of 2. It doesn't trade right now. So oil trades overnight. It was 1 for 3. I think oil was. YM was 1 for 2 yesterday. Or 0 for 1. 0 for 1 yesterday. Yep. Ooh, let me pin that. Thanks, Jen. Good morning, everyone. If you're new here, I go live every day. Oh, today is the last day for Apex. Just say good morning. She's the real deal, y'all. Listen to her. Thanks, Kyle. Y'all, today is the last day for Apex. If you want a fully funded account, I wonder why this is so high. If you want a fully funded account for like $36, today's the last day to get it because they have an 80% sale and it ends today. Apex Trader Funding is the name. And the coupon code is SAVE80. We haven't had any trades so far in Santa, YM, or NQ Santa. Let me put the Apex website up on the screen. Again, I don't have an affiliation with them, but a lot of my members, like easily half of my 240 members use Apex. So you can have a cash account with NinjaTrader and you can have multiple Apex accounts. So Apex allows you to have up to 20 accounts, but you could go today and buy 5 $36 accounts, and then you could use one at a time. Like, you don't have to use them all at the same time, if that makes sense. But the sale ends today, so that's why. It ends in 14 hours. The code is SAVE80. Good morning, Campbell. We've been talking about this because they've had the sale going on for a bit. And Q's in a short here. It already hit target. Nothing yet on the Santas. Can the bot pass the challenge? Yes. The code is SAVE80, SAVE 80. If you email me, I can also give you that information, boldbotllc@gmail.com. The bot can pass the evaluation, and you can utilize it during your funded account, and it just trades for you. Apex is not available in so many African countries. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, look at all these countries it is available in. Afghanistan, Albania, Armenia, Zambia, the Czech, Georgian, German, Greek. All of these languages. Select language. Haven't explained how they got future contract for $100. What? What are you talking about? Who got a futures contract for $100? Nobody said they got a futures contract for $100. What are you talking about? I said the risk was $100. You can risk $100. That doesn't mean you're paying $100 for the contract. You can have your stop loss be whatever it wants. So if my stop loss is $100, it's $100. If my stop loss is $1,000, it's $1,000. If my stop loss is $50, it's $50. Like, I'm not sure what you're saying. Like, my stop loss can be $100, but that doesn't mean that's what I'm paying for the contract. One micro is $100, and one mini is $1,000, and one micro of the ES is $50. I hate Bitcoin, and I never talk about it. Yeah, Jabari, we typically pass the challenge, no joke, in like 3 days. The fastest you can pass it technically is 7 days, but we pass it in like 2 to 3 days using the algorithm. Risking and how much you pay for a contract is the same thing, in my opinion. No, it's actually not, Pluto. You have no idea what you're talking about. There is a margin price to take this trade. You cannot take this trade unless you have at least $1,000 in your account. So if you don't have $1,000 in your account, NinjaTrader will never allow you to take the trade. But I am risking only $100. That is what I'm telling you, because that is my stop loss. So you clearly don't know how things work. If you think the price of a contract, like gold, the price of gold and oil are $2,000 each. I would never ever risk $2,000 to take a gold trade or an oil trade. The VPS is it's highly recommended. It's not required. It's just highly recommended. You don't risk how much it costs to take the trade. That's an options mindset. We're not trading options. I hate options. We don't do that kind of. What are we talking? We don't trade off of news. What's going on here? that make sense? So again, the VPS is not, can I get a bot trade, please? My user is Antwin. What are you talking about? If you want more information on the bot or you want to use the bot, you have to email me, guys. And then you have to, like, actually sign up for the service. I'm not sure what you're asking. Existing home sales is in 15 minutes. Where's Robert? I mean, Kenneth. Thanks, Pepe. You're always on it. Back up to 1100 on that oil trade. Triple M is in a short. Dude, Santa has not taken any trades, and neither has YM Santa. We're in a short on Triple M. Let's see how this plays out. Where are we at? NQ's in another short. Target filled. NQ is now $1,200 on the day. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. Ooh, now 1,300. It just, I love this. I love this. This is literally like my life in an algorithm. Like really, really, really. Like exactly how I trade. I'm such a scalper at heart. No, I'm not risking $1,000. The difference between Apex and NinjaTrader, one requires you to have your own cash and the other one does not. You're going to use NinjaTrader regardless. Ty, if you just email me these questions, I can answer them. Apex does not require you to put up any cash. You're not required to pay them back any money. Nothing. Apex. Literally, you're risking whatever you paid for the Apex account. So if you go today and you get the $50,000 account, it's $36. So you can have a $50,000 account today for $36. So you are risking that $36 that you used to get the account. That's it. But NinjaTrader is still going to be used by everyone because NinjaTrader is also a platform. It's not just a broker. NQ is green 1,300 now. What is this up here? 802. Thanks. Okay, we're just gonna remove you, Pluto, because you're literally, you have no idea what's going on, and you're just saying things that make absolutely no sense. So yes, if the trade goes negative $100, I lose $100, and I'm out of the trade. I still have $900 of my $1,000. I would never risk at season along. Poor Pluto. Hey, GTO, GT. I never know what somebody's username is. Like, I'll break it up. G Tolman. Oh, Tolman's probably your last name. 1,400 on NQ zones now. Y'all, I'm so excited. So excited. 1400 now. Oh, Santa's in a trade. Santa is in a short. Santa's in a long. Guys, we haven't had any trades from Santa yet. I trade on Apex. It's legit, guys. Yeah, who would think that Apex is not legit? Technical analysis has no bearing to the real world. Just garbage. I don't know who was talking about technical analysis, but okay, Luker. I don't know what that means. I'm confused. On Apex, why $36? I think we're just getting everything. Pluto gone just like its planet. Well, one of my members said Pluto's talking out of his Uranus. We're just going to write all of these off. I'm in the... What? Where? I'm in the Slack. G? Grant? Are you Grant? You're probably Grant, aren't you? It is Grant. Hi, Grant. Grant has been doing really well. I'm really excited for him. Still 1400 on NQ zones. We are in this long of Santa. I don't have Santa live today. It hit the offset on the first trade for $75. Now it's in this long. All right, guaranteed green on this long for Santa. This is the NASDAQ. I do have the S&P 500, but I don't trade it as much as I trade the NASDAQ. And everything's on the futures market. Because futures is life. Yeah, but Apex is great. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that. Also, zone was about to hit target again. Ooh, it's like, oh, it's so close. It hit target again. $1,450 since last night on one mini with a super, super conservative setup. Yeah, no, Apex is amazing. You get to keep the entire first $25,000 that you make, and then anything after that is a 90-10 split. Apex is the best funded program out there. And again, the sale ends today. It's 80% off, save 80. I always trade a mini. I always trade one mini. I never trade micros. I'm not sure why people would think I would be trading micros. This is all real time. Yeah, no, the bot made the trade. The bot makes all the trades. There are no trades that I am making. Ever. On my live stream, I'm never making a trade myself. Also, and so NQ zones hit target again, $1,525. Danny said today's live stream is hilarious. Who brought the new guy? Exactly. Like, what the fuck? Is there a fees to join? No, it's free, everyone. I love doing community work. I love giving stuff away for free. In no way am I ever someone trying to profit off of a system that I've been trying to perfect for 3 years, using all of my personal time. There's definitely no fee. The crowd today. No. What the you guys, there is no zones, Derek T. y'all, I feel like people don't listen. Sarcasm for those who didn't get it. Whoa, where to send the money to get into bot? You could just email me. If you just email me, I will give you the discounted link. There is a fee to join. $500 to $1,000. It's not to $1,000. It's $500. If you've used my algo before, then it's $1,000. If you've never used my algo before, it's $500. Yes, yes. What is your view? I have no idea what that is. I should probably just mute you too. What's the site for Apex? Yeah, good question. It's Apex Trader Funding. I'll put it on the screen. Apex Trader Funding. Also, if you email me, I can give you this information. APEX Trader Funding. I'm going to have Jen put it in the chat. Urban is the jet. Guys, I watched her yesterday and she never got saw. I don't know what Urban is the jet. What does that mean? Lon Perry? Yeah, yesterday was an amazing day. We made thousands of dollars. Thousands. Today, we've been stopped today on MMM. On my 2 stock plays, they got stopped. But NQ is all green today. Oil overnight was red, $25. So, not me specifically, but yes, people in my group that use Apex have been paid out. They get paid every 2 weeks for the first 3 months. Every 2 weeks for the first 3 months, there's like a limit. It's $2,000. But if you have 5 different accounts, because you can get up to 20 accounts on Apex. So say you have 5 accounts that you're running at the same time, you can use a copy trader that they offer. It's $150 one-time fee. And then, so say you go to cash out on the 15th of April. You would be able to cash out on all 5 of those accounts, not just one account. No, I don't have an affiliate link. I know it might. I don't have an affiliate link. Sorry, I mean she is legit. Yeah, thanks, Lon. I figured as much. So again, if you want more information about the algorithm or about Apex, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Obviously, you can just use Apex on your own, but using it with the algorithm is like a 1-2 punch. My back hurts. Yeah, nobody really affects the market the way Powell does, so I don't really care about there. But there is new home sales at 10 o'clock, so in 2 minutes there is a report. Are you not using... Yeah, no, I don't have an affiliate link. What is the win percentage? So it depends on the algorithm that you're talking about. The one with the blue box here is bold range. That is my most conservative. That is my go-to. That's my baby. This is on NQ. It was 2 for 2 yesterday. It's 95.5% win rate over the last 15 months. ES, same setup, is green 84% over the last 15 months. Then we have oil and YM. I need like an angel. I need like an angel. I wish I had Apex back when I was in the Slack. I don't think it's in the Slack. Apex, we've been talking about Apex since December. So, Michael, I don't know when you were in the group, but you could always come back. Apex in the Slack. I think English is a second language today. I'm not sure what's happening in the chat. Can you prove that by showing proof? Yes, 555 him. You can email me and I will show you our reports from NQ and ES for the last 15 months. Oh yeah, also you could go back and watch all of my live streams. I've been going live every day for the last 2 years on YouTube and TikTok, and they're recorded every day on YouTube. But if you want to see the breakdown of NQ and ES on Bold Range, I have that. Just email me and I can give you that information. YM is in a long. Let's jump over there. Not many trades today so far on the Santas. They're kind of just hanging out. Good morning, Johan. I always want to call you Jonah. I don't think that's not your name, though, because the N is at the end, not at the beginning. I think you posted in the wrong place, Lieutenant Dan. I think you need to put it in chat. Look out below. Oh, gold is green. $1,190 on this short that one of my members is in. Nice. You see this short at 1968? It's green $1,190 right now. Hi, Trisket Biscuit. How are you? Ooh, wait, we're moving up. YM is green, $50. So gold is in a short while YM is in a long. It's a good setup. Rookie question. Is the profit you mentioned from a trade the net profit after deducting the cost of the actual trade? Yeah, it doesn't include fees and commissions. That's a good question, but it is the net profit. The net profit of, obviously, the gross gains and the gross losses, but it doesn't include fees and commissions. So I can send you the breakdown, and then you can multiply the fees and commissions, which is around $5 per trade. Let me pin that. Pin. All right, YM is still in this long, kind of just hanging out. Oil overnight on Scalper, I think made like $1,800 or something. I wasn't running it, but Dana was, and he had posted it in the group. No. My Algo service does not provide signals. That makes absolutely no sense, because why would you care about signals when the algorithm is literally trading for you? You don't have to do anything. So we have competing trades here. YM is in this long still, but Santa NQ is in a short. I have signal alerts for my students, but those are not for Algo members. They're two different services. So if you want to learn how to manually trade and how to actually trade for yourself, then you could take my mentorship. You get 1 free month in the group, which includes alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. It includes 16 one-hour videos. It includes a daily call for my students every morning from 8:45 to 9:15. It includes a monthly get-together over Zoom. What else? Oh, the Chop Zone and the LIS every day. The robot trades is the algorithm. So do the backash. Just email me and say you want more information on the algorithm. Again, you can use your own cash account or you could use Apex. Both of those are, when we're talking about those, that's with the algorithm. All right, so Santa took profit there. Santa's green 225 on 3 trades. Easy, quick trades on NQ Santa so far. The bot is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. Ooh, we're 1,700 on zones. 1,700 on zones. 1 minute. My members are going to kill me because they're going to be like, Lauren, we don't want to hear about that. We want it now. We want it now. It literally says 50K tree. You just go to sign up and then it says 50K. Look, y'all, sign up. And then it gives you all of the choices right here. It literally says 50K right in front of your face. 50K. This is it. The normal price is $167, but when you put in the save 80, it will be $36. NASDAQ is great. It's green $1,800 since last night. And then Santa on the NASDAQ is green 3 for 3, $225 on the day. And that just started 15 minutes ago. So $225 for 15 minutes or $1,800 for since last night. You choose. If you appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. I'm giving a whole bunch of information. A whole bunch of information. My throat is hurting. Please give a thumbs up if you're on the YouTubes. If you're on your cell phone, just turn it lengthways, up and down, and just push that thumbs up. Nice job. Dana made $875. Yes, don't give it back by getting to a whole number. I used to do that all the time. If you've ever been there, you know what that's like. It's so easy to be like, well, I've made $900. I just want to make one more 100 to be at 1,000. But then that 100 that you force in a trade ends up being a loss, and then you're frustrated that you lost, and then you trade again. This moved out has been nice. This was the short that Santa was in, and it made $75. I'm so sad, because look at how perfect this was. See how it turned green here? Well, it's flagging again down here. We'll see if we get another short. Nice job, Dana. Give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. Get those crusty, big old thumbs out. I don't know. Do people have crusty thumbs? My dad's a painter, so he always has like really dry, cracked hands. Because, I don't know, because I guess he's always washing his hands. And what's that stuff that you wash and try to get paint off? Ammonia? I have no idea. But he always has really, really dry, like rough hands. And I'm like, Dad, what the hell? Put some lotion on. Which he does. He uses that like... that thing that you can get at Bed Bath & Beyond for, like, hands or feet. That's supposed to be, and it's, like, really good. But still, it doesn't help. All right. Long on Santa. Turpentine. There you go. No, he's not. Whenever I say he's a painter, people always think, like, like, an artist. Like, no, like, he, like, paints buildings. Like, large commercial spaces or, like, houses. Yeah, I think turpentine. Acetone? I don't know. Paint thinner. I have no idea. Anyway, it's like a big silver can that he keeps in the back of his truck, and he just pours it on his hands. And I'm like, ugh. Also, probably doesn't help. You know, he's been doing it for, what, like 40 years or something. Gold is still in the short on scalper. Green, $1,440. Thanks for the likes. Again, this is Santa. It's in a long. We'll see what happens here. Acetone is nail polish remover. Yeah, I guess that's why I know about that. All right, can it move up here? Let's see. Where are we on the bigger scale? Kind of back down under here. Mom, oh, I need to update this to 1800. 1800, baby. Oil LIS this week has been good. It's 2 for 2 this week for $450 on 1 mini. I'm 100% highlighting mine. Platinum on Sunday night made $1,000 on LIS. We have a few new LIS setups that we're testing as well, so we'll be releasing those when they come out. If you want more information, again, this is not a pair. I don't trade forex. This is futures. This is the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ 100, you probably know it as NAS, but this is just NQ. On the futures market, it's just called NQ. If you want more information, this is a fully automated algorithm. It trades for me. I'm not doing anything. My hands are here playing with this poppet socket. It's moving my stop loss. It's trailing up behind the trade. This is called Santa because I found it a few months before Christmas, and it was making us a whole bunch of money every day, so we all decided to call it Santa. How many days robot trades automatically? Every day. It trades automatically every day. What? Y'all, come on. The market is open Monday through Friday, 23 hours a day. Anytime the market's open, my algorithm is on. Anytime it's on, it's trading for itself. There is a trial. It's a $500 trial for 21 days. There's absolutely no free trials. I don't do anything for free but go live every day for an hour to the community. Yes, anything I ever show on the screen, on the live stream, is the algorithm. I'm not sure where the confusion is today. You cannot install it on multiple computers, but if you have a VPS, you can open it on multiple computers. So a VPS will allow you to open up this computer. Like this is a VPS. Let me show you. This is a VPS. See, like this is my regular PC. This is my VPS. So I can open my VPS on my phone. I can open it on my iPad. I can open it at any other computer that has, you know, a desktop workspace, which is common on pretty much every PC. The win percentage on NQ is 95.5% over the last 15 months. The win percentage on ES is 84% over the last 15 months. That is January of 2022 until today, March of 2023. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. This trade is guaranteed green. It's 310 right now. This is the hard stop, and then this is a trail stop. The trail stop will take it out if both of them turn red before it comes down and hits the offset, which it doesn't look like it's going to happen because the other one is down here. So we'll see if we keep moving up. Okay, so do bankash. I don't think you understand. The win percentage is the same no matter how much is in your account. It's a win percentage based off of trades. It has nothing to do with how much is in your account. So Dana made $900 this morning. Casey, day number 8, made $860. Nice job, Casey. Also, copper was in this trade before, $1,800 this long. I wonder if it's still in it. Carlos posted that. NQ Santa is now 4 for 4 for $300 on the morning. Again, it just started trading about a half an hour ago. So it just took profit here. It's 4 for 4 for $300. I'll pull up the performance for today and you can see. It's 100% right here. This is NQ Santa. $300. It's taken 4 trades, 100%. It's had 2 long trades and 2 short trades. If you want any more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, NQ Zones has taken a break, but it is still green, $1,800 on the day, $1,750. Where do I get the spot? Okay, Joshua, I feel like I've said it a million times. You just email me. You have to get it through. You could go to my website and pay full price if you want to, Joshua. But literally, I've said this a million times. Just email me. If you go to my website, you can go to my website. You'll be paying full price. Heads up. You'll be paying full price. If you want the discounted link, you have to email me. boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you want to pay full price, feel free to go to my website and sign up. Gold is green, $1,950 on this short. Yeah, how do you know that I'm not? like the people today. The website is right here in front of you in this white box. It's boldanalysisllc.com. But if you want the discounted link, then you have to email me. BoldBot. Also, we're in a short of Santa. It's green, $300. Larome's going to be mad that he got out. Gold is green, 1,000. Who else is in this gold short? $1,950. Where is Irma? Where's Irma? Irma. Yes, Steven, it does. I feel like we've explained that 50 times. It's $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial. It is then $1,000 every month after that. Because literally at this point in time, since 30 minutes ago, this one strategy is green $700. You would have made $700 on one contract on one strategy for 30 minutes today. You don't have to start it right away, tea trees, but you can if you want to. You don't have to. Joshua, you've been on the live stream for like several minutes when I've been saying the same thing over and over. If you want more information, which is what I've said like a million times, email me. The discounted link is in the informational email that I will send you. All right, this is the gold trade. I'm not in it, but some of my members are. $1,600 on one short. It got short here at 1968.2, and it's green $1,600. Everyone wants to get rich for free. Yeah, for sure. Like, y'all, I put my heart and soul into this. I have been doing this for years to try to perfect the strategies, what charts to use, what times to trade. Like, there is a lot that goes into this. This is not like, oh, I just turn it on whatever I want and it makes $1 million. No, it's hard. It also depends on the market sentiment. You know, is the market really volatile? Is the market choppy? Is the market trending? So again, one contract cost me $1,000. So I have to have $1,000 to take this trade. This is now green, $700 on the day. I don't know what that means. Apex is a monthly fee every month, but it's just going to be that $36. So Santa is 100% on the day, green $605 on 6 trades. So again, you have to pay fees and commissions on 6 trades. You have to pay fees and commissions on 6 trades. So 6 times 5, $30 for fees. So minus $30 from 605, $575 for 100% hands-free, 30 minutes, 40 minutes of trading. Yeah, but T-Trees, once you pass the evaluation, so as long as you do that in the first month, then you don't have to pay the $36 again. Oh, and she just said the same thing. Nice job. Larome just made top manual 600 away from passing. Larome just made... He said top is manual. Oh, he's $600 away from passing a $50,000 Apex account. See, this is what folks do. So this will be like a cash account, and then these are their Apex accounts. They'll have 2 or 3 Apex accounts, and they just make money. And no, the minimum to start with is at least $2,000 to $3,000 if you're using cash. Joshua, if you don't have $2,000 to $3,000 to start with, you could go the Apex route. Again, Apex, the sale for Apex is 80% off, and it ends today. Again, I have no affiliation with Apex, but they're just a really good program. Yep, Santa's green $610 so far. It's 100% on the day. Also, yesterday, Pink made $1,600 for anyone that ran it. Carter said it's worth it. Apex takes 10%, but they don't take any split until you have made $25,000. The first $25,000 is all yours. Does Apex is a robot trades? What? Oh my God, this person. Dude, I don't think it's going to work out. Sure thing, Steve. If you can tell, I have little patience for stupidity. I feel like I say the same thing over and over and over, and if people would just listen, they would have all of the information. But they don't, so then I get annoyed. Apex is not a bot. Apex is a company that is willing to give you a cash account if you prove you're a good trader. That is what a funded account is. I'm just going to ignore the questions that I find to be extremely stupid. Dante just posted his results. Wasn't really feeling it today. Morning routine was messed up. Traded. Just have a positive day. I'll come back tomorrow and get it. So even though he was having kind of a rough morning, he still was able to make, I don't know what, $200 here. He has several Apex accounts. See all of his Apex accounts? If you're new here, I go live every day showing my auto trading algorithm, 100% hands-free trading on the futures market. What did he say now? Good job, good job. So Santa has taken 6 trades at 6 of 6. Cash, I'm not sure where the confusion is. If you want to use the algorithm, email me for more information. Then you will know how it works. Or you could go back and watch any of my past live streams on YouTube. YouTube is BoldBot. Tap the screen if you appreciate the stream. Santa is in a short green, guaranteed green. Do you see how that moved on its own? I'm not touching anything. This is all 100% hands-free. Santa just took a short. It's now guaranteed green, $75. Obviously right now it's green like $300. You could also take this stop loss and move it yourself if you wanted to. You could move it down and put it down here, put it down here. I'm not going to do that. Yes, Andrew. My admin is already sending you the success rate breakdowns. It's 84% for ES for the last 15 months. It's 95.5% for NQ for the last 15 months. And she is sending that over. Yep, Santa's in another short. Guaranteed green. Look at this. $470 on this Santa short. Again, Santa's already 6 for 6 on the day. This is going to be 7 for 7 because it's guaranteed green. Thanks, Joshua. That's a way to see the glass half full. Where's I think YM is 0 for 2 though today. YM has kind of been like lacking even yesterday. So guaranteed green here on NQ because again the stop loss has moved itself in front of the trade. This is also the trailing stop right here. If you see these two red lines, if they both turn green by the price moving up, it will exit the trade before it gets back to the $75 mark. So again, 100% hands-free. I'm just moving it up so you can see it. So Santa will be 7 for 7, and it's been less than an hour since it's been running. And right now it's green $1,000 on the day. Again, this is called Santa because I found it a few months before Christmas and it prints a whole bunch of money and we love it. So we called it Santa and then I changed it to Santa Banana. But this one trade, again, one contract, I have to have $1,000 in my account to take this one contract. Obviously, you have to have more than $1,000, but this trade costs me $1,000 and not in fees and commissions, but I'm just saying there is a certain amount of money you have to take a trade. This trade, one contract of the NQ, the full NQ mini contract is $1,000. If you're trading micros because you have a smaller account, then this trade would cost you $100. But your profit or loss would be a tenth of the size. So instead of $500 here, it would be $50. Yeah, Joshua, that sounds like a good idea. So again, do you see how this turned green? If this moves up and this trailing line turns green, then it will exit the trade down here instead of all the way up here for $75. So I can pretty much take this and move this down if I wanted to. You're talking risk when you say cost. No, that's not the risk. I'm not sure why people think that. There is something called, like, I don't know how to explain it easily. If you go and you wanna get 5 shares of Apple, you would have to put $500 up to take 5 shares of Apple. That's what I'm talking about. That doesn't mean you're risking that much money. It means you have to have that money to get in the position. That's it. Yeah, margin, but then margin also confuses people. This is now green $700. This is a 70% return on this one trade. Because again, this costs me I have to have $1,000 to be in this trade in my account. I'm not risking $1,000. I'm risking $200. Every time Santa takes a trade, I'm risking $200. But in this trade, I'm guaranteed green. Do you see how it pulled back up and it took profit? There it goes. We are done. It is green $1,880 for the day. It's still going to keep trading, but I'm going to be done on the live stream. This is Santa for today. It's taken 7 trades. It's been 100%. $1,080 total on 7 trades. Then I have to pay fees and commissions, so I have to pay 7 times 5, $35 in commissions. So I'm clearing $1,050 for less than an hour of my robot trading for me. Again, if you want more information about the robot, please email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Because if you are new, you can get a discounted link, which is only in the email. It's not on my website. Hey, Kevin. Ooh, the last 2 manual alerts have been fire. So again, manual alerts are only for my students. I can show you guys what they look like. They look like this. We took a short of ES at 10:21 a.m. You can go back and see how that worked out at 40.16. And then we took another short on NQ at same time at 12,749. Yeah, it took longs and shorts at different times. So this was a short. This was a long, this was a long, this was a short, this was a long. So I think out of the 7 trades, it was like 4 and 3. Also, my NQ zones is still $1,700 on the day. It's taken a lot more trades than 7, but $1,710. 65 trades. So then you got to multiply that times 5. Yeah. Oh, Santa's in a long. All right, I'm about to get off of here. It's 10:30. I go live every day from 9:30 to 10:30. Again, if you want more information, what's the best to start with? So we talk about that when you join the group. We talk about which strategy to use, what's best for new people, all of that. But yeah, just send me an email, get more information, and then if you want to join the group, all of the information is in that informational email. Also, remember, today's the last day for Apex. Apex today, Apex Trader funding. If this goes down and it hits the stop loss, remember, I'm not risking $1,000. I'm risking $200. So that is my risk. My name is Lauren. It's also in my profile. But yeah, once this goes green $200, it will move the stop loss from a negative 200 to a positive 75. Please email me again. When I email you back, I'll also put Lauren in the email. Joshua, just email me. But yeah, if you want to do Apex, remember today's the last day. That's the biggest thing for Apex. Apex Trader funding. I might update Apex Trader funding. You can use Apex as a fully funded account on the algorithm. There's 13 hours left. Code SAVE80. And if you email me, I can give you that information too. We'll wait until this trade plays out. We'll see if it gets to $200. If it does, then it's a guaranteed green trade. 120. Come on. If it gets to $200, it's a guaranteed green trade. 120. Keeps going to 120 and pulling back. Can you wait to see the stop loss reset? It's not going to reset. Oh, only if it goes to $200. It will move itself. But I've shown this multiple times. You could literally go back and watch my YouTube from today and see it multiple times. Again, I'm live on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube every single day. You can go and watch all of my streams. BoldBot is my YouTube. All of my live streams are on there. All you have to do, FedEx Man, is go to my YouTube and watch my live streams. Every single day I go live, and every single day I show Santa. And that's what I call it, Santa. So it's easy to know when it's happening. YM does the same thing, though. When YM is green 200, it moves the stop loss. Joe said, thank you, Lauren, for the mentorship. I'm up 45 points on NQ this morning. Oh, look at this. That's so great. That's so great, Joe. I'm so proud of you. All right. I'm going to get off of here. So see, Santa might take a loss here. If these both turn red, it could be a smaller loss than $200. So that's another thing we didn't talk about. The max loss is $200. But it could have a smaller loss if both of these trailing stops turned red. So then it could be like a $50 loss. Oh, shut up, Joshua. All right, green 135. Can we reach 200 to have a guaranteed green trade on Santa? 130. Go. Go, 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 go. 140. I saw 140. 145. 170. 175. There it goes. Did you see? It moved itself. Where's FedEx Man? Did you see? And then it came back and hit it. So it took $75. It's now 8 of 8 on the day. $1,155. 100%. And this is less than an hour. This has been trading for less than an hour. 8 for 8 on the day. 4 longs, 4 shorts, $1,155. Sure thing. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:30 to 10:30 every day. YouTube or TikTok, I will be here. Email me if you want more information. Bye.